Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to get unbanned from Wizz App. Please follow this tutorial step by step to get unbanned. So first of all, you need to open up Wizz App on your device and then tap on your user icon in the top right corner. From here, you need to click on this gear icon in the top right of the screen and then hit log out from the pop-up menu. Once you're done with that, you need to go to your device settings and then scroll all the way down to general and tap on it. Then tap on iPhone storage. From here, search for the app and then tap on it. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on Offload App. Tap again to confirm. It'll take a bit for processing, and then a reinstall button will show up. Simply tap on it to reinstall the app. Once you're done reinstalling the app, you need to head back and open up Appstore on your device, and then tap on the search icon in the bottom right corner. Search for VPN Proxy Master in the search bar, and then click on this Get button to install it on your device. Once it's installed, you need to open up the VPN app and then tap to connect. Select a server location. And then once you're connected, you need to go to your device settings and make sure the VPN status reads connected. Once you're done with all this, you need to open up the Wizz app and then create a new account with a new number. Well, you're now unbanned. However, this method only works with the soft bans. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.